Are you tired of your personal details being visible to strangers on Wise? Your name, your email, maybe even your phone number, all just hanging out there for anyone using the Find Me By feature to stumble across. It feels a bit exposed, right? I get it. Here is exactly how to delete that information everywhere in under 2 minutes. All right, so we are going to walk through the exact settings inside Wise to remove your info from discoverability. Just follow along with these simple steps. So let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is click on your profile icon. It is usually in the top corner of your Wise dashboard. That little icon is your gateway to all the account settings. Now that you are in your profile area, we need to find the right section. Go ahead and click on Security and Privacy. In my experience, this is where most people stop looking, but it is actually the most important place to be. This is where Wise keeps all the controls for who can see what. Scroll down here until you see the option that says Find Me By. Go ahead and click that. This is the specific feature that allows other people to look you up using your email or phone number. It is convenient for sending money, sure, but if you do not want to be found, this is where you take control. And here is the really important part. You will see an option that says Delete My Details Everywhere. Click that. This is the nuclear option, in a good way. It tells Wise to scrub your contact information from their discoverability system entirely. It is not just hiding it from one person or one screen, it is removing it from everywhere on the platform. This might take a moment to process, so just hang tight. Once you have clicked that, you will see the final confirmation button. It will say Remove Yourself. Click it. That is it. You are done. From feeling like your personal info is floating around out there, you can now confidently close that settings page knowing you have taken control. Your details are no longer visible for just anyone to find. Thanks for following along.